Hello everyone, love having you back. Coming your way in this video, 15 minus 7 which equals 8 times 15 minus 7 which equals 8. Now we have this problem, 8 times 8 which equals 64. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses 15 minus 7 8. So we have 15 minus 7 times 8. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 7 times 8 which equals 56. So we have 15 minus 56. So 15 minus 56 which equals minus 41. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.